Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. It's got this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 10,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.